வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, லாஸ்ட் distillation பார்த்தோம். So we will see about a model scenario. We can take a fractionated column or binary distillation column. Binary distillation column. So in this case we have a binary distillation column. It is having residue W. You are giving a feed F. It is giving a distillate D. So we have a feed of some value. It is having some binary mixture. For example, we can take a mixture of methanol and water. Methanol plus water. So here we are getting about 90% of methane, and the remaining will be residue. So like that, for example, we can get 95% or 80%. So for this case, so this is called binary distillation. We are getting water mostly at the bottom. So the composition, it will have 95 to 98% water like that. Here 95 to 98% methane like that. So the remaining will be available at the both sides. So for this case, we have for any type of distillation, we have to go for the balancing, like mass balance, right? Mass balance is very must. Even if you go for any industry, the mass balance will be calculated, and energy balance also will be there. That will be taken into account for design calculations. So initially we will go for mass balance. For the case of for the case of distillation, it is only a unit operation. Distillation is a unit operation. It's not unit process, because only the physical changes happening. Physical changes occurs. Like the composition, the methanol will be same methanol at the even at the distillate, and with the residue also, if it is available in some traces. So it is not changing its chemical properties or density, viscosity. It will not change. So the chemical changes will not occur. Only the physical quantity changes. That's why only the physical changes available. That's why we call it as unit operation. Unit operations have only physical changes, like quantity and volume changes will be there. That's it. So we go for mass balance now. So feed is equal to, is giving both distillate and residue. So distillate plus residue or W. Can take any words, any symbols. So F is equal to D plus W. So the next thing is, this is called overall balance. Overall balance. For your understanding, you are giving 100 kg of mixture. We are getting some composition of this much methane at the top, like distillate, like that. Okay. So if you go for individual balance means we are getting 80 kg of distillate, 20 kg of residue, like that. So this is called overall balance. For 100 kg of feed, we are getting some quantity of distillate and some quantity of residue. So if you go for individual balance, what is individual balance? Individual balance means to take only one component from the mixture. Like you are doing balance for methanol only. So for example, you take feed. In the feed itself, methanol, we are having methanol concentration of around say 60%. So 60%, the feed is having 60% of methanol and 40% of water. Okay. So you are multiplying feed with we can take it as a small fraction, XF. So XF denotes mole fraction, 60% mole fraction of methanol available in the total feed mixture. So which is multiplied with the feed is equal to, and distillate, same formula, but we are doing balance for the methanol component. So for example, we take 90% of methanol is available at the top. The total quantity is D, which is multiplied with 0.95. Here we can mention XD, the mole fraction of methanol available at the distillate. So which is multiplied with XD and plus. So the same methanol will be available at traces. So that will be at the top bottom. So which is W plus you take this XW as a mole fraction of methanol, right? So XW. So like this is called individual balance for methanol. So similarly you can do the same thing for the other component, water also. So you can take different symbols. What are the symbol changes? So an example I have given here. So for the same case we are going to do for a model sum. So doing mass balance for separate component is called individual balance, and the total feed combined with both the components is called overall balance, right? So we took the case of binary distillation. The same case can be applied for the multi-component distill also, not more than 3. It will be easy for if it is 3. You can do for the 3 component system also. Mostly we face the problems in binary and 3 component system. Now we take the model problem here. The feed is having methanol of 40% feed. It is having 40% of methanol, and the remaining will be water. Here only thing mentioned is 10,000 kg feed of per hour of feed. The total feed quantity is given here. This mass balance, okay? So it is given in mass. So we take it as here we are getting distillate about 95%. So for this case, the feed is we are having 10,000 kg of feed, and which is containing 40% of methanol. The remaining will be water, H2O. But in the distillate, it is having 95% of methanol. Okay, but in the residue, it is having 97% of water. See this carefully, guys. For this case, is 60% balance. The remaining is mentioned here. So this is the case. You don't know the remaining here. It will be 5% of water here, because the methanol is low value component. For the low value of boiling component, it will cover the top as a distillate, and here the remaining 3% is methanol. Will be only available in traces. Okay, if you go for the balance, overall balance, initially we'll go for overall balance. So F is equal to D plus W, which is we are having 10,000 kg, which is equal to D plus W. We don't know the distillate quantity and as well as the residue quantity. So leave this one. And the next is individual balance. Individual component balance. So if you go for it, first you go for methanol, which is F into, for this case we know it is 40% of methanol, so multiplied with 0.4, 40/100, just write it directly. 0.4 is equal to D distillate, we don't know. The component of available methanol at the distillate, which is 98%, so 0.95 plus in the residue it will be 0.03, so because 3%. So you take this equation as 1. The next one you do the same thing for water. Okay guys, the same 10,000, but here the water content is 60%, so take it as 0.6 is equal to the distillate, the water component available is 5%, so 0.05 plus, if you do the same thing for W, in the residue the water component is 97%, so take it as 0.97. That's it guys. So you got the individual balance equation. If you solve these things, just equal one distillate. If you solve this equation, you get the final answer easily. Distillate and bottom residue. For this case, I calculated it as distillate will be is equal to 4021.74 and residue will be 5978 kgs. So if you take this one, it will be around 10,000. So it is matching. So the final answer is right. So this is a simple case how to do the mass balance. Okay guys, next time we take a complicated one and solve it. Thank you.